Are you searching for best budget action camera in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best budget action camera in 2023. Number 1, HUAFANT G9 Pro Action Camera, orders 1000, product intro, waterproof. HUAFANT Action Camera is waterproof and can be used in rainy days. It has a built-in waterproof function, which can prevent water from entering the camera during use. Great seller communication. Our customer service team is always here to help with any questions, comments, or concerns you might have. We will respond as soon as possible to resolve any issues that may arise. Perfect compatibility. Original brand. Compatible with most original HUAFANT action camera systems. You can use it for the first time and enjoy your favorite sports video. Number 2, Insta360X3 360 Action Camera. Insta360X3 Waterproof 360 Action Camera with 1/2 48MP sensors, 5.7K 360 active HDR video, 72MP 360 photo, 4K single lens. Number 3, 2-inch IPS Dual Screen Action Camera. 2-inch IPS Dual Screen Action Camera, 5K 30fps 4K 60fps 48MP IS video with optional filter lens, 1080p webcam vlog Wi-Fi sports camera. Number 4, SJCAM SJ4000 Air 4K Action Camera. 4K Action Camera. SJCAM SJ4000 Air 4K at 30p FSX SCOF E1 Pro 4X Zoom Wi-Fi waterproof moto helmet cam sports video cameras is application for home, semi-professional, extreme sports, outdoor sport activities, bicycle, car DVR, diving, beginner, professional. Number 5, Gopro Hero 5 Black Action Camera. Gopro Hero 5 Black Action Camera, 4K 30 frame Ultra HD 12MP anti-shake motorcycle riding skiing aerial photography GoPro camera. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.